Hey guys, in this video I'm going to tell you about how to use the image or text translation in Anuvad app. So let's get into the video. Before going into the video, if you like this app, if you like these features of the app, please click a like button and subscribe to our channel. So now going to the video, I'm clicking on image or text translation. Just click on that. After that, choose a image. There is a image button is there here, appears here. So choose a image. Or if you want to choose which image I want to, let us click this. So after choosing the image, you will get a screen to crop the image. So I'm just cropping some of the text. Let us see. I just want to crop from here to here. I just want to crop this. After cropping the image, just click on done. It will give a hold on and you will get a text here. So you need to edit some of the points like this /r and /n will be available. So remove this /r and /n from your text. So your text is ready. So on clicking this voice button, it will read this voice. If it will read this text, just click on voice.
Boys do cry when they see their mother in pain.
Yeah, this is how it translates. Or so it sorry, it's not translate, it just gives a voiceover of the text of the image. So if you want to translate this text into any other language, click on this choose language button and you can see all the languages in India. So just choose any language. Since my native is Telugu, I'm choosing Telugu. See, you can see Telugu translated text will be appeared here. Click on this translated button, swap button, to translate. After clicking this swap swap or translate button, you will get the text here. See, this is in Telugu language. So you can, if you want to voice over this text, you can voice over by clicking this sound button.
అబ్బాయిలు తమ తల్లిని బాధతో చూసినప్పుడు ఏడుస్తారు.
So this is how it translates text to image text to other languages. And if you type this, I just want to copy this text, so text to text translation will be there. I just copied this text. And if you give any other language text here, I just gave this language text here. And if you want to translate this text into another language, like I just want to translate this text in Hindi. So Hindi translated text. After this translate, just click on this translate button. So it will convert this Telugu language text into Hindi language. See, this is how it works. It converted that Telugu words into Hindi. I'm just clicking a voice over.
लड़के रोते हैं जब वे अपनी माँ को संकट में देखते हैं.
Yeah, this is how it converts other languages from Telugu to Hindi, like that. If I want to convert this Hindi into another language, like that, just remove that. And this is text to text translation, guys. So remove that and clear this one also. If you don't clear also, it will not be a problem, it will automatically reflect there. So I just want to convert this into which language I should choose. Bengali, English. Just give English translated test. So after giving translate, just click on translate. The boys cry when they see their mother in distress. So the words might somewhat change, guys. It's not exactly the text you given in the previous, since the Google Translate translates in its way, not in your way. So the words might somewhat change and the sin, like it gives some synonyms, guys. So this is how it works, the text to text translation, guys. So this is how the image or text to text translation works in Anwad app. So if you like this video, just click on like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.